Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is November 19th, 2020. Let's get into it. It is 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock today. Well, it looks like we're punching through my target area. I'm going to leave it up there just to see. But now I think we're going to move up higher. This is the weekly chart on Bitcoin. It's moving up, I believe, to 20K before we get a pullback and then punch higher. So I think we're going to get a test, a pullback, and then come through. Yeah, that's how I'm looking at things right now. One thing I wanted to show you, I did take profit on Bitcoin. I also took profit on Litecoin right here. Made a nice 20% gain from here to here. I had to wait it out. And anyway, got it. No big deal. But it's pushing higher and it's looking really good. Now, it's moving into this zone of resistance here, which we could basically pull back to right about here. Let's unlock it, because I think we could be running into a head and shoulders type situation here. Right there. Okay. Where, as I zoom in on this, it could be that once we reach our top here at right around 80, 85, somewhere in that window, we can get a pullback to, there it is. Man, I was having a hard time with that. Maybe a pullback down to here somewhere, and then take off again. It's possible. Now, what that would do, it would create on the larger charts, it would create a head and shoulders inverse right here. So we would get breakout, and then we could get up to about 140 at that point. So yeah, that's what I'm looking forward to. A little bit of rejection here. It might flounder a little bit and then punch and then really run. Yeah, and that's just how I'm looking at Litecoin. What the other day when I was doing a video, I was talking about Litecoin LTC BTC. And so far things are looking good here. This is the weekly chart. Once again, I was hoping we would get up to maybe that 20-day moving average. Let's look on the daily to see how that's playing out. Yeah, I was hoping the 200 would come in here and kind of they would meet, and it's running. It's doing exactly what I'd hoped. So LTC BTC, LTC continues to be the one to be in. It's just outperforming. Now, we did get a breakout right here of this high, and it could pull back and then do inverse head and shoulders here also. So I would say target is achieved. Look, Jay's talking about Litecoin right now, same as me. That's awesome. He's probably talking about head and shoulders also. Cheers to you, Jay. That's awesome, man. Okay, that's it. That's all I got for today. Just loving this movement here in the markets. It's looking really good, but beware. It's possible. I wouldn't put new money in right now. I want to see what happens here. This run has been spectacular, but I'll be waiting for the pullback, and I'll probably be dipping in and going pretty long into Litecoin, because I want to watch Litecoin outperform Bitcoin on the weekly chart. If I zoom way out, we have a lot of upside potential here on Litecoin to really make some gains. I think this would be the first major area of resistance. So, we've gone from here to here. It's been spectacular, but I'd like to see a little pullback and then it really run. So, all right, that's it. That's all I got. Talk to you soon. There's your update. I'm out of here.